What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about how to paper trade on TradingView. Paper trading is a valuable tool for aspiring traders to practice their strategies and skills without risking real capital. TradingView offers a user-friendly paper trading platform that closely simulates real market conditions, allowing traders to test their ideas and refine their approach before venturing into live trading. To begin paper trading on TradingView, start by opening an advanced chart for the security you want to trade, such as a stock or cryptocurrency pair. This will allow you to visualize the market movement and make informed trading decisions. Once you have opened the chart, click on the Trading Panel button at the bottom of the chart to open the trading interface. This panel provides a comprehensive platform for managing your paper trading activities, including placing orders and monitoring your positions. Your paper trading account starts with a default balance of $100,000, which you can reset at any time. This allows you to practice trading with a significant amount of virtual capital, giving you the flexibility to experiment with different strategies and risk levels. To place orders, use the buy and sell buttons on the chart. You can also right-click on the chart at the desired price level to place orders. This allows for quick and efficient order entry, enabling you to react to market movements in real time. You can modify orders by dragging them up or down the chart. This feature allows you to adjust your positions as market conditions change, helping you to refine your trading strategy and adapt to unexpected market movements. Open positions and orders are listed in the trading panel at the bottom of the chart. This provides a clear overview of your current trading activities, enabling you to monitor your positions and make informed decisions about future trades. To disconnect paper trading, open the trading panel, click the trading menu on the top right corner and select Disconnect or select another broker. This will end your paper trading session and allow you to switch to a different trading environment or broker. TradingView also offers a paper trading competition called The Leap, where you can compete with other traders for real cash prizes. This provides an additional incentive to hone your trading skills and test your strategies in simulated environment. By following these steps and utilizing TradingView's paper trading features, you can refine your trading skills, test your strategies, and gain confidence in your abilities before entering the live market. With TradingView's comprehensive platform and realistic simulation, you can take your trading to the next level and achieve success in the world of finance. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.